Hello viewers, I remain Beatrice Christopher from Statistics Scribe. God's willing, in this tutorials I'm going to show you how to perform multiple linear regression analysis in IBM SPSS statistics. So quickly I'm going to go to my IBM SPSS statistics, but before then, permit me, I'd like to show you the data set I have. As you can see here, this is actually an excerpt from a course called Regression Analysis with course code STAT403 from the Ahmadu Bello University Zaria for the year 2023. So straightforward, all you have to do is define your variable. Okay, you can actually run the analysis without defining the variable, but in an ideal situation you're supposed to define your variable. So I'd like to teach you the ideal thing. So go to your variable view. Here I have a variable here called y. It can be anything. I have another variable called x1. I have another one called x2. Then the type there, whatever, you can make your amendments here, but I know that this is the y here does not have a decimal point, so I want to limit decimal. So for readability's sake, anyway, even without altering it, you'll still get the same output. For x1 I have 1 dp maximum, and for x2 I don't have any decimal place. So quickly, then this y here label can be whatever it is representing. Okay, so quickly you can just say y if you like. You can say x1, you can say x2. Okay, if you like, you can label it the thing you want to label it. Maybe y is for sales, x1 is for income, then the next one is maybe probably output or expenditure, whatever it is. So but for the sake of this tutorials, we have y, x1 and x2. It means we have two explanatory variables called x1 and x2 and a dependent variable or response variable called y. So we want to fit in a multiple linear regression model of y on x1 and x2. Okay, so we don't have a missing data, this and so on. Let's go quickly. Then under levels of measure, all these are scales, right? Scales and scale, they're all scale. That's all for that. Then you go back to your data view to enter your data. Okay, so quickly I'm here. See, as you can see here, I have y, I have x1, I have x2. Okay, so quickly I have for y I have 293, I have 230, as you can see, and I have 172, I have 91, I have 113, I have 125. Okay, then for x1 here I have 1.6, I have 15.5, I have 22, I have 43, I have 33, I have 40. Then for x2 I have 851 here, so it means I have 851, my bad, 851 followed by 816, followed by 1058, 1201, 1357, 1115. Okay, so as you can see I have some dots here. It's telling me I have missing values, so these are just system missing values. I can clear them off. It's because I was having a data that I cleared, so I want to clear them off. But for your own case, if it's a new data sheet, you won't see that. If you see anything like that, make sure you clear it off, else your output will be wrong. So quickly, the next thing to do is you go to your analyze. So permit me to expand this or maximize the IBM SPSS statistics since we are through with the data entry. Go to analyze, then from analyze you come to regression. Okay, from regression you come to linear and click. Then under the dependent box here, what's your dependent variable? In our own case, our dependent variable is y, because we want to fit in a multiple linear regression of y on x1 and x2 respectively. So you send it here. Then for your independent or independence, in this case we have two independent variables, so you can select them individually here. Can you see it? Or you you can select them as a group. Let me show you how to. And you can maybe press your command or control key and select the other, okay? Or you press Control A or Command A, depending on the machine you're using, and send them to the independent box, okay? So after that, all you have to do is click OK, except if you want other statistics and plots, okay? But for the sake of this tutorial, we just need the model, and you click OK. Wait for your output. My output is out, okay? As you can see here, it's here I can maximize the output. So this is my regression analysis output for the multiple linear regression, okay? This is variables entered or removed because I use enter method. So I have this, then model summary. This is my model summary, okay? As you can see, my multiple R and my multiple R square as well as multiple R square adjusted, okay? It's here. So as you can see, this is ANOVA for analysis of variance for the regression model, okay? And also we have our coefficients here, okay? These are coefficients. Now it means for this multiple linear regression analysis, our constant, which is beta naught, is 383.801. Our x1, that's for the beta 1, here we have minus 3.630, and for the beta 2 we have minus 0.112, okay? And these are their corresponding standard errors, okay? As long as standardized coefficients, beta, the t calculated, as well as the word significance value, which is your p-value. So this t calculated is your t statistic, okay? So I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe, hit on the notification bell for more updates.